Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. I review all kinds of bags ranging from Lululemon to Coach to Louis to Hermes. So today I have a unboxing. This is a bag from TheRealReal, and of course, as you see, it's completely like damaged. So it wasn't open at least, so that's good. So I'm gonna do this unboxing. It's a Shinola bag. It's a Bixby crossbody. So it's not very expensive. It was like $495 retail, but I like to save any kind of amount of money when I can. So this is supposed to be in excellent condition, no wear. So let's see how this goes. So I had the bag already open, so you didn't have to see me cutting it. Let's take a look. What is going on here? Okay. So they have this knotted. And this is the bag. So what drew me to this bag is Shinola has really, really amazing, smushy, smooth leather. And this reminded me of like a row bag, but obviously it's not going to be as nice, but this is pretty close. It's very smooth leather, full grain. I don't see too much wear on this bag. I'm trying to see it in different lighting. So there are some scratches at the top, but not a big deal. Should be able to like smooth these out just with my fingers. There's a slight scratch here, but again, I think I could smooth that out. But this is the kind of leather that I love. It's very smooth and it will get scratches, so it doesn't usually bother me too much. And you know, having someone else break in the bag for you is like always a plus in my book. All right, so the zipper could use a little bit of wax. It's kind of tough. The strap is almost completely adjustable. It's got notches all the way to the top to the bottom on both sides. So that's very cool. So I'll definitely be pushing these up. Inside is fabric. So I'm going to have a full review of this bag on my channel coming up soon. But so far it looks good. It's kind of got this accordion base, which I think is interesting. I've never had a bag like this before. So yeah, so it looks good to me. We will see how I like it. That's it. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.